Hello, and a big welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, why not? Today, I want to talk about, basically respond to the question: why learn a second language if you've got Google Translate or ChatGPT and all of these other things that'll do instantaneous translations for you? So let's just talk about that and go into the reasons why you actually want to learn a language, not just use some sort of software. Um, Now, the primary benefits of learning a second language is cultural understanding. So you get a depth of experience. Learning a language exposes you to the culture and the traditions and the history associated with a language, and it gives you a much deeper understanding of the culture beyond just translation. And then you gain some cultural sensitivity. So knowing the language helps to navigate social nuances and customs and etiquette, and fosters a general cultural sensitivity within you. And then you get enhanced cognitive skills. So, this helps with your brain health. Learning a new language stimulates your brain, it promotes neural connections, it can potentially delay cognitive decline and Alzheimer's. It gives better problem solvings because bilingual people often develop better problem solving skills and enhanced creativity. It improves communication because it gives personal connections. Like speaking a second language allows you to connect with a broader range of people, and it opens up opportunities for friendships and relationships and business connections and all sorts of stuff. And clearer expression, because expressing yourself in your original language ensures accuracy and nuances, but this translation avoids potential misunderstandings from an automated translation because you understand what you're saying. Potentially there's career advancement. It's a global job market now. Many employers value language skills, especially in international businesses, so it can enhance your career prospects and open doors, for other opportunities. It gives you a competitive edge because in this sort of globalized world, knowing more than one language gives you an edge over monolingual, candidates. But importantly, it's personal growth. You get confidence because learning a language boosts your confidence. It requires you to overcome challenges and step out of your comfort zone, and it teaches you to adapt. And so adaptability, in language learning, it develops adaptability and resilience and gives you, a crucial skill. And then the other thing is it enhances your travel experiences because, local interaction, knowing the local language enhances your travel experience by allowing you a better, deeper engagement with the locals, understanding perspectives, navigating unfamiliar places confidently. And the other thing is lifelong learning. It gives you stimulation. Learning a new language is a process that keeps the mind engaged and curious. And it gives a sense of achievement and intellectual satisfaction that comes from mastering a language. And it's rewarding. So, you know, the deeper understanding and the cultural immersion, you get nuance and context. Things like Google Translate often struggle with, subtle meanings and cultural references. And so knowing the language allows you to grasp the essence of the communication and not just, a straightforward bare bones translation. Um, Cultural appreciation, because the language is intertwined with the culture. So learning a language will open doors to understanding, traditions and humor and jokes and the way the people think that this software just can't help capture. Um, and then there's a direct communication with people because talking directly to them in their native language gives a deeper connection and it builds rapport beyond the limits of just swapping your phone back and forth when in some sort of software mediated communication. I mentioned before, cognitive benefits and personal growth. You get brain power because learning a language helps. It's proven to help improve your memory, your multitasking, your critical thinking skills. It'll help your brain keep sharp and adaptable. It gives you a sense of personal satisfaction because you've mastered a new skill, and provides a sense of accomplishment. And speaking another language fluency will boost your confidence, especially in a situation where you use it to navigate through some sort of unfamiliar environment or connect to new people. So bilingualism is an asset in today's world, and it's worth pursuing. It gives you access to other information and media. It can give you a whole new world of resources, literature, and media that just isn't available to you in your native language, which means you can take advantage of news that you may not have heard of in your local language, things that happen in other parts of the world that you didn't know about, or you get a different perspective on them from these other news sources. So deciphering grammar, pronunciation, cultural nuances, all of that requires creative thinking and problem solving abilities, and so that helps to develop your problem solving skills. And it opens up a new way of expressing yourself and a new method of expressing yourself, and so it can enhance your creativity. And generally it just promotes empathy and insights into different cultures and perspectives and understanding that you're just never going to get if all you do is use some translation program. So it's well worth learning a language, even though you can get by with Google Translate or one of these other programs, and they're only getting more sophisticated all the time, but they are never going to give you cultural understanding. The software is not going to enhance your brain power. It's not going to help your self-confidence. So the only way to do that is to actually learn the language yourself personally. So anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoy these sort of videos. If you do, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And if you did like the video, please press the like button. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.